Hey, I'd like you to meet two of my new friends. Their names are Max and Bird. This story is by Vere. Let's get started. This is Max. Max is a kitten. Kittens chase birds. This is Bird. Bird is a bird. Birds get chased by kittens. Uh-oh. Max better watch out for himself, huh? Hello, Bird, said Max. Let's be friends. Yes, please, said Bird. First, I'll chase you, said Max. Then, maybe, I'll eat you up. You look like a tasty snack. I don't like being chased, said Bird, and I'm far too young to be a tasty snack. I haven't even learned to fly yet. Oh, said Max. But it's a rule of nature. Birds get chased by kittens. But friends don't eat each other up, said Bird. Said Max. We need to think about this. I think I agree with Bird. I don't think friends should eat you up. Max and Bird sat and thought a while. Hold on, said Bird. I have an idea. Bird explained the principles of friendship to Max. Friends have fun together and help each other out. That's a very good point, Bird. Friends do help each other out. If you teach me how to fly, said Bird, then we'll talk about the chasing and all that other stuff. Okay? That, said Max, is a very fair plan. They shook hands on the deal. Max explained the principles of flight to Bird. Well, Bird, first of all, you are, what you do is, coughed Max. I don't think I know how to fly either. I don't know how Max is going to help Bird learn to fly when he doesn't know how to do it himself. Follow me, said Bird. We'll go to the library. Libraries know everything. The library is one of my favorite places. I love to go look at books. In the library, there was a section on flying. Max and Bird couldn't reach the books on the top shelf, so they borrowed from the bottom. Oops. Yeah, if you can't reach the top shelf, the safest thing to do is grab some books from the bottom. Max and Bird studied for weeks. They read important books until their tiny little brains were full. To cut a long story short, you just need to concentrate real hard, stick out your wings, and flap. Piece of cake. Well, my first problem is I don't have wings. Do you? Max and Bird concentrated real hard. They stuck out their wings and they flapped. Nothing happened. They flapped in the morning. Not a bean. They flapped in the afternoon. Not a sausage. They flapped in the evening. Zilch. Oh, look at all the flapping. They were working really hard. But I don't think Max has wings. Do kittens have wings? No. Max and Bird were tired out. All night long they slept. All night long, they dreamed of flying. The next day, with heads full of dreams, Max and Bird tried again. They flapped and flapped until they ached. Nothing happened. Bird flipped. Bird stamped. Bird yelled. No fun. I'm bored, bored, bored. Flapping isn't working out. Calm down, said Max. We'll ask someone who can fly. They'll tell us what to do. Now that's good advice. Max and Bird asked Pigeon very politely, Excuse us, could you please tell us how to fly? Please? Pigeon cackled rudely. Don't you even know how to fly? It's so easy. Just stick out your wings and flap. Look. Pigeon flapped, Pigeon flew upside down, Pigeon zigged, and Pigeon zagged. Pigeon looped the loop. Pigeon was showing off. Well, Pigeon is kind of a smarty pants bird. With iron resolve, Max and Bird tried once more. They flapped and flapped and flapped. At 5:23 p.m. precisely, something incredible happened. It was wobbly, but Bird took off. 1, 2, 3 whole seconds. Wow, Bird is finally learning how to fly. Hooray, we did it. Thank you for teaching me to fly, said Bird. That's what friends are for, said Max. Well, a deal's a deal, said Bird. Suppose you want to eat me up now. Oh, said Max. Tasty snack? I'd forgotten about that. Let me think. I certainly hope Max doesn't eat up his friend. No, Doty's having trouble with his page. It won't turn. There we go. Max thought for quite a while. I don't want to eat you up, said Max. It's not what friends do. But I can watch you fly instead. Bird? Yes, said Bird. So there it is. Now Max can watch Bird fly. I have cats, and they love watching birds outside fly. And he did his first loop the loop. Well, now we know what friends are for. They're for helping us and for not eating us up. Hope you have a good day. I'll see you soon.